Tommy Lee Sparta attorney confident that he will beat the scamming charge. Cause you know, remember him they get charged with the whole scamming thing, the whole lottery scamming thing. Alright, so anyway, I could get into the story. Tommy Lee attorney Ernie Smith believes that the entertainer and his co-accused Brian Smith will be exonerated in their lottery scamming trial currently underway in the Supreme Court downtown Kingston. After yesterday's second day, the attorney expressed confidence that a no-case submission, if entered, would be upheld. Tommy Lee, given name Leroy Russell, and three others were initially charged in February 2014 on suspicion of breaches of the Law Reform Fraudulent Transaction Special Provision Act 2013. However, no evidence was offered for two of the accused who were later released. The men were charged after investigation stemming from a traffic stop led police to a Kingston 5 apartment where lottery scam paraphernalia was seized. In court yesterday, woman constable Maxine Thomas, who said she was an integral part of the investigation team, said under cross-examination that juror Heavy D. Fraser told us he rented the apartment on behalf of Mr. Russell. Smith asked, "Why wasn't that included in your statement?" "I didn't put it in my statement because I didn't think it was relevant at the time," she said. Smith further asked, "Didn't Mr. Russell deny ownership of everything found at the apartment?" Thomas replied, "No, he did not, sir." The second witness investigation officer, Detective Sergeant Mark Williams, told the court that he observed another sergeant removing a laptop from behind a washing machine. The court was told that the four suspects were caught and asked to whom the laptop belonged. Williams said, "One of the accused said that all of us used the laptop." Then Mr. Smith went on to say he was the one who hid it behind the washing machine, hiding it from the children. Under cross-examination, Williams admitted that a former police officer, Lionel Hamilton, had access to all the evident material he handed over to Cybercrime Unit. Williams also said he has not seen the evidence since 2014. Alright, well, Tommy Lee, I tell you the truth, I feel like say you was a target because I don't know what upon you make the police them just always a target you so. And I not really say Tommy Lee not involved in nothing because I don't know. I not swear for nobody. But same like how them did use Vibes Cartel as an example, that in my opinion, I feel like the same thing them I try with Tommy Lee Sparta. You see me? And what I notice with Jamaicans, you see, when you come from Montego Bay, them automatically label you as a scammer. So I feel like say Tommy Lee, you know, him just have that thing there where people just start say, yo, yeah, one scammer. We see even when him and Jamil did a clash, Jamil even used the whole scamming thing upon him. You understand what I say? So it's just a thing where happening in Jamaica where from you come from Moby, people just automatically look on you as a scammer. And we see the same thing happen to Ragging King Wadie. Remember how him boss and then people on Instagram start call him scammer, and you see me, it's not a good look for people. Them just start look on you as a scammer just because of the place where you come from. You see what I say? And I mean, Ragging King did even go on Instagram live and I make the people them know say, yo, how this him I use making money. You understand? Cause him did I do some form of dub plate or something, and you see me worse when them say him a build up a house now. You see me, so people just start to watch him just boss and him a build house, them start automatically say scammer. But anyway, this is not about Ragging King, but me just a show other examples. You see me? I want to make you know say it's not everybody down them part they do scamming, you see me, but when I go to get into that. But as me I say, I feel like them a try make an example out of Tommy Lee Sparta, and I mean the law just won't give him a break. You see me? And remember say one night time him did all sue them, you know, because guess what? He must say them make him lose how much millions. You understand? Because him now get to go up on shows and tours, and you understand? And them basically a mess up the man life because for you can't get for tour, you can't get for do certain things, you know. Cause remember say if the judge say, yo, you can't leave for go do certain things because you have an ongoing case, you know. That means say you're stuck, you're basically stuck at Jamaica, you understand? And we don't even know, alright, even if Tommy Lee can't go to America, right? whole heap of place in the world where other artists go tour or artists go tour upon a whole. So I don't necessarily say forgot America, but even forgot maybe certain islands. You understand? Because you don't know say he's a talented artist, but I feel like say the whole scamming thing and maybe I stress him out away because him they have not dropped no whole heap of song like one time. But you see me? We just want to see if them have proof, them just prove them case. If them not have proof, them just release to you. You understand what I say? But we know how it going in Jamaica. As me say, guilty till proven innocent, and is not innocent till proven guilty. And me no come for say Tommy Lee is innocent or guilty, but me just assure you say me feel like if them do have evidence, them for release you and go do investigations or whatever. You understand? And you know you can't even trust them police when time them have laptop and them thing that them put certain things on it. You understand? Them we put on things for frame you. You just can't trust police on a whole. You see me? But anyway, viewers and subscribers, I know say some of you might feel like say Tommy Lee involved in a scamming or not, but I mean, we have to just wait to see the outcome of this trial. You understand? But him attorney confident say him a go beat the case. You see me? So only just comment and let me know what you think about this whole Tommy Lee Sparta and the whole scamming situation. If you don't feel like say him is apartheid, or if you don't feel like him is a target, because obviously sister the law won't leave him alone or won't give him a break, you understand? But comment and let me know what you think about this whole Tommy Lee Sparta situation. Bless up, one love.